We're in Ocean Reef. We are very close to the beach.
The brief for this client was that they wanted a pool, but then they also wanted a full site transformation. Front, facade, back, they weren't happy with the way the house looked. Cream faced brick house, quite a lot of lawn, very sort of old dated pavers throughout. There was a very low patio. It was actually falling apart. It was actually dangerous to come outside. Kind of a quite uninviting space, I would say. They wanted a space where they could come and enjoy the outdoors and something that they could be proud of.
So initially what we were thinking about was more about the flow and where the pool can go, where the alfresco can be rebuilt, maximising light into the house, functionality for pool fence. A lot of the practicalities were really important in that early design phase, where the bins are going to go, where the clothesline's going to go, how we're going to screen it off.
By creating this new skillion style patio, which faces north, it lets light in during the winter months, having the lighter concrete, we've got white breeze blocks, and then the lighter colours on the render. All the light bounces off these elements, goes into the house, and creates a really warm and inviting atmosphere.
So we wanted to make sure the pool area was a bit of a tropical vibe, because we want to make sure that when the client's home, they feel like they're on holidays. We also need to be mindful of maintenance, keeping it really robust, because this is very coastal, a bit of wind, a lot of heat, but we also want to make sure it's very low maintenance. So this project is an end-to-end process where we handle all the way through design to completion to make sure our clients feel like they're on holiday.
I think in a project like this, you really want to incorporate different material, but then use them sparingly in different zones to sort of create that different levels of interest and textural interest within the project. This is not just about landscaping, this is about a whole lifestyle transformation, about enjoying the space where you live and coming home to something where it just makes you happy.